Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go ahead and be showing you how to add your Gumroad product directly to Webflow. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video till the very end, follow my steps correctly, so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing we want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Gumroad website right here, gumroad.com, if you've not already. So after opening it up, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by. From this home page, the first thing we can do is go ahead and log into our account. So if you do not already have an account, you can just go ahead and create one. If you already have one, just go ahead and log in. So after logging in, this is going to be the main page you're greeted by, from where we can get started with accessing all the sections we have for managing our store, such as home, products, collaborators, and so on. So now we can get started with following this official Help Center article right here on how to integrate Gumroad products into websites. So you're going to open up the Help Center right here, the bottom left screen, and search using the search bar for this article on integrating Gumroad into websites. Here we have the step-by-step on how we can follow it. So you're going to go to your accounts widgets page. You can just click on the link right here. It's going to open it up, and then we're going to open up the modal overlay. This is going to enable us to change the button text if we wish to, and click copy embed code. So using the modal overlay, you can go and choose your product that you want to create a buy button for. Here is a preview how it's going to look. You can go and change the text right here, and after that you can copy and paste this code into your website. So by copying and pasting this code you get right here, you can paste it directly to Webflow, and just like that you're going to be able to integrate your product from Gumroad into Webflow using the buy button right here, and that's how it's done. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching, take care, and bye.